Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, April 6th, 2016. My name is Cliff Backus, and this is your PushButtonStockTrading.com daily video market review. Let's get started today by taking a quick look at our Spectrum Analyzer. Yesterday, of the top 100 most powerful stocks in the most powerful industry groups, 15 came from biotech. That's a lot. We had 6 from the real estate investment trust industry. We had 5 from home products, 5 from precious metal mining, and rounding out the top 5, we had large pharmaceuticals, specialty pharmaceuticals, semiconductor devices, household products, and commercial and residential building equipment and systems, all with 4 stocks each in the top 100 most powerful stocks in the most powerful industry groups. We're starting to see a lot of biotech. We've seen a lot of real estate investment trusts. We've seen some precious metals recently, and semiconductor devices has been up there as well. These might be good places to look for leadership in this market. Let's take a look at what the NASDAQ Composite's up to. Yesterday, the NASDAQ Composite was down 47.87 points, or just under 1%. We closed at 48.43, and notice how we undercut the 200-day moving average yesterday. We were looking at that to be minor support. It obviously didn't hold, but we did hold at the long-term trend line. As we've been noting, this trend line goes all the way back to the beginning of the bull market in 2009. Yesterday we had a distribution day in the market. We traded higher volume than the prior day, but still below average. For you followers of William O'Neill, we are in a confirmed uptrend in the market. We have been since February 18th. We have a total of 4 distribution days in the past month. But IBD, the Investor's Business Daily, is quoting 5 distribution days in the past month. 5 distribution days is getting up there and is a little bit of a concern at this point to the bulls. Right now, the NASDAQ Composite is bracketed by support at this trend line and resistance up here in the 4,900 area. Our market timing model is on a confirmed uptrend. Our market timing model is on a buy signal. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. But before we do that, let's take a quick look at the market. Stocks fell with a little bit more enthusiasm yesterday. Trading volume on both the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange, while below average daily, was greater than the prior day, giving us distribution days on both indexes. A distribution day is a trading session where one or more of the major averages trades at least 0.2% lower on higher trading volume than the prior day. Distribution is a sign of institutional selling in the market, and too many distribution days in a short period can indicate that the uptrend is in trouble. While we have the distribution count on the NASDAQ at 4 days in the past month, Investors Business Daily's count is 5. 5 distribution days in a month is a cause for concern for the bulls. That noted, our market timing model remains on a buy signal. A buy signal indicates that both aggressive and conservative traders can buy, but we shouldn't be increasing margin at this point. Our universal watch list is beginning to look a little bit more healthy with 37 names. In a healthy market, we generally have between 50 and 90 stocks on the universal watch list. In spite of the elevated distribution count on the NASDAQ, we remain cautiously bullish on the market. If the market remains healthy, the number of stocks on our universal watch list will continue to increase. Declining issues again topped advancers by 7-3 yesterday. The New York Stock Exchange advanced decline line continues to look bullish. New highs bettered new lows. Of concern to the bulls, the McClellan Oscillator closed in sell territory again yesterday, making it the first of our indicators to go negative on the market. According to our Ramosi ratio, large capitalization stocks bettered small again yesterday. They continue to outperform on a 10-day moving average basis. Bulls would prefer to see small caps outperform. The market remains bullish, although the McClellan Oscillator and our distribution count are indicating that the market may be a little stressed at this point and in need of a short-term correction. Traders may want to take advantage of any weakness that develops in the market to add to or tweak their portfolios. That noted, be careful, and as always, keep your stops in place. Okay, yesterday the S&P 500 was down 20.96 points, or just over 1%. We closed at 2045. We came down, we tested support down here in the 2044 area and held. Trading volume yesterday was higher than the prior day. It was below average, but being higher than the prior day, it gave us a distribution day. Right now, the S&P is in a confirmed uptrend. We have 3 distribution days on the S&P in the past month, but notice how they're all clustered at this end of the monthly range, which is an indication that we're seeing a lot of distribution now, and gives pause to the bulls. Right now, we are bracketed by support in the 2044 area and resistance all the way up here in the 2116 range. Our market timing model is indicating a buy signal on the market. As noted earlier, a buy signal indicates that both aggressive and conservative traders can buy, but we shouldn't be increasing margin at this point. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks mentioned today or any of our market strategies, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. Contact information is on the home page. Please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohannes & LaCours Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohannes & LaCours Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohannes & LaCours, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohannes & LaCours Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohannes & LaCours Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate, or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohannes & LaCours, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push Button Stock Trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push Button Stock Trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push Button Stock Trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of Push Button Stock Trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of Push Button Stock Trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.